Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm a little bit excited because I just made this octopus style mosaic and it's all been made from polymer clay offcuts. It's fairly bold and a really fun project. So let's get into it. Before we get started, if you like projects like this, you could check out our Create blog or even join our Creative Connection. That way you can get lessons, tips, inspo sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent. Alright, first step, we need a big sheet of clay to make our faux tiles. Grab your colours or any excess clay you have and roll it to about 5mm thick. You can use clay as is or you can mix your own colours while you condition the clay. So I'm actually using a clay press to get all my tiles the exact even thickness, but Mont also sell this fantastic levelling roller and it has 3 depths on it, a 6mm, a 3mm and a 1mm, and these are really great. It's got an anti-stick surface, so if you can't get a clay press, these will do the job as well. Bake it at 130 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, or just follow the instructions on the back of the clay packaging. The key here is to make sure it's thin enough to break easily, but baked thoroughly so it holds its shape. Here's the octopus outline I'm using. It's available free from our website for you to use. You can trace one or freehand it out. Once the clay pieces are baked and cool, we cut them up with scissors. Don't aim for perfect squares. The more odd shaped, the better. Mosaics are broken tile murals, and they're all about making the odd shapes fit. That's the character we're chasing. If you want a little bit more of a guide, our free download outline has some tile shape examples on it. And hey, if you've ever tried one of our projects, drop us a comment. I'd love to see what you've come up with, and your ideas help us plan more projects like this. Lay your clay shapes inside the lines like a puzzle. For the octopus, I tried placing the tiles in a way that created the octopus shape, and this meant that I had to cut down some shapes to fit at funny angles. It's a little bit of trial and error, but that's the fun of it. Keep some space between them because we'll be filling that out later with grout. For the background, I'm trying a more classic offset tile pattern to let the octopus stand out a little more. At this stage, you can use paint pens to embellish the tiles, or use gloss varnish to give the tiles a domed effect. I'm keeping mine simple today, but if you're following along at home, take a moment to make the project your own. Don't worry about perfection, mosaics are all about impact. Alrighty then, our tiling has been done, and the next step is to put on some grout. Now, to use a bit of a faux grout, we're going to use Light Moulding Paste. So let's get this on. If you're enjoying this, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next project we've got coming up. We've got some wild ones planned. And just like that, our artwork is finished. Well, I had a lot of fun creating this and it turned out better than I had anticipated. Do you think you'd like to try this technique? If you do, please take a photo and send it in to us because we love seeing your work. Artwork is always experimental, and remember to keep on creating.